The House voted this weekend to approve a health care plan. Where would you have been on that plan if you had to vote that day?
You know, I think it's clear that we need to do something about health care in this country. The costs have been rising way too fast. It's gone from 8% to 16% of GDP over the last 30 years. So it's clear that some action needs to be taken. I'm interested in seeing what comes out of this whole process. We've got a bill that's come out of the House. We've got a bill that's coming out of the Senate. I'm interested to see where it all comes together.
Answer my question!
But one thing is clear.
Bottom line, what would you have voted on Saturday?
I think we need to address it, and that's something that, you know, we're going to be looking at. Now, I've got to go to this next leadership panel. But
well, there was one
Carter.
vote before the health care plan about an abortion issue. Where would you have been on that?
Well, I'd have to look at the specific measure that you're talking about.
It's been in the national news, an abortion issue that some Democrats were in favor of because it enabled them to vote for the health care plan.
Jack's going to be here for a few minutes.
You know what we could do, if you want, is why don't you give me a call and we can sit down and have a chat about it. I'd be happy to do that with you. Okay? It's good to see you again.
Answer my question!
I was never more proud to stand up on the House floor last Saturday night at 11 o'clock and vote no to the government takeover of the healthcare system. I voted against the bill because it represents a government takeover of 1/6 of our economy, a government takeover of our healthcare system. It has punitive taxes on both small businesses and individuals. At a time when we can least afford those taxes.
In my view, it's a bad course for America. I think that we want to reform the system, make it more affordable and accessible, but when you look at their bill, this bill is all about punishment. Punishment to small businesses.
Today, we heard from the best experts in the world on healthcare, and what they told us was that don't destroy the best medical care system in the world. We need to reform healthcare. We need to make it more affordable and accessible to every American, but there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it, and this is the wrong way to do it.